So this video is going to show how we solve a problem like this in MathXL. So we're supposed to sketch the graph of this function and its axis of symmetry. We want the function to be a solid curve, and the axis of symmetry it says as a dashed line. So let's say I've written down this function and I've done my work on it, and I've done work that looks maybe like this. So I've got my function, I've figured out the vertex is the point 2, 3. I got a couple of these other points. Remember how I did all this? You can watch the example problems to see how I sort of would do this work. And so I've graphed that, I've got my axis of symmetry here, this line x equals 2, and I need to reproduce this in MathXL. So the vertex again is 2, 3, I've got these points 3, 4, and 4, 7. So I come up here, we can make this graph bigger or smaller using the plus or minus buttons here. You can also click to enlarge a graph and do stuff to make it bigger to see. In any case, when I get down here then I want to make sure to click this and graph it as a parabola. I have to come to this palette and click the parabola button and make sure it's solid. And then once I've clicked that parabola button in the palette, I come here and I have to graph this point 2, 3. Oops, missed it. So click the parabola button and then we have to do 2, 3. Alright, there I've got 2, 3. Now I just have to click one other point on the parabola. Even though we had all those other points, just one more point will do. So either the point 3, 4 or the point 4, 7. If I go for 4, 7 here, there we go. So it's going through 3, 4, and 4, 7. It's this nice solid curve. There's my parabola. Now I want to look and do a line. So I click the line button, and I have to click the dashed line instead of the solid line over here. Okay, so then I have to pick 2 points on the line. So it's on this line x equals 2, so it doesn't matter. I pick 1 point, and then I pick another point on that line, and now I've got this dashed line going through. And that's what I want. That's the line that I want there. And so I'm going to click check answer. All right. Your screen might look a little different than this along the line. Now it says the vertex type is an ordered pair. So my vertex here is the point, 2, 3. And then the axis of symmetry is the line x equals 2. All right. So that's essentially how we do this. Your screen might look a little different. I was doing this on my iPad, and so the interface might look a little different, but it'll have those same qualities. So hopefully that helps you graph these problems.